So hello my YouTube and TikTok family. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share with you the homemade best facial for your skin. So stepwise I'll guide you how to make this pack, how to make cleanser, scrub and then pack. So here I'm showing result first because you can see there is no filter on my hands. There is nothing on my hands. So here are the results of this homemade facial. So this facial you can use on your face, on your body, on your hands, but first try on your face. So step 1, we are going to make cleanser. You will take 1 tablespoon of raw milk and add some turmeric powder in it, like 1 or 2 pinch. Turmeric is very good for the hyperpigmentation and for the to overcome the redness on your face. If you have redness or sensitive skin, then turmeric is good for you. So turmeric and milk both are very beneficial for the face and for the body. Now we are adding lemon juice. You know, lemon is a natural bleach. You can use lemon in your any pack which you are making, so it will give you more radiant and bright skin. So then you can apply this pack on your face, on your hand. So you can cleanse your hand or face like at least 5 minutes. Do some massage clockwise or anti-clockwise. Make sure to clean. And then now the turn of step 2, the scrub. So for scrub we need a sugar, 1 tablespoon. It's a brown sugar, you can use white sugar, both works equally. And now we are adding coffee. It's 2 pinches of coffee, and you know coffee is very beneficial for the face. And now we add lemon, half tablespoon. So now I'm applying scrub with a brush. You can apply scrub with your hand, and if you are applying on face, so always use the soft hand to scrub your face. So always use soft hand, don't rub your face. So you can do scrub also clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I'm applying on my hand, and you can see how you can use your hand for the perfect scrub, like clockwise or anti-clockwise. Make sure to remove the tanning and dead cell from your skin. So like this way you can apply. You can massage the scrub like 5 minutes. You can take 5 minutes for all steps, like a 5-minute cleanser, 5-minute scrub, and 20-minute pack. So here I'm removing the scrub. You can see how scrub works on my hand, and it helps me to remove the pigmentation and the tanning, sun tanning. So now I'm showing you the hand after washing scrub. You can see there is still sugar on my hands, and here is the proof. Like look the result of this scrub, homemade scrub. You know, sugar is very good for the body, also for the whitening of body. Lemon and sugar both can help you to brighten your body and face. So now the turn of step 3. Here we add coffee 3 punches, and now add rice flour, half tablespoon, and lemon, half tablespoon. So mix it well. You know, rice flour is also beneficial for the skin, to brighten your skin, to overcome the darkness, so and also hydrate your skin. So mix it well, and add water in it. And now I'm applying on my hands. So here is the last step and the magical step. You can leave this pack about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It's up to you. After 15 or 20 minutes, when it gets dry, you can do massage of this pack. Really, it will helps you more for the brightening of your skin. So you can also massage this pack and then remove. You can use this facial 2 days a week, or if you are bright to be, then it will also good for you. So here you can see the best result on my hands. Really, I'm using all these things, natural thing on my hands, homemade remedies, and without any filter. You can see the close-up of my hands, like how my hands looks like after this facial. You can see close-up. There's nothing on my hands. So here is the real proof. Here you can see people used to apply foundation after the result, but here is the real picture of my hands. So you can see there is nothing. So thank you so much for watching this remedy. So do must apply and give me your feedback. Bye bye.